Our birding group reached San Jose on 19th February night and spent 12 days moving length and breadth of Costa Rica. We started from San Jose on 20th February and covered the northern highlands, Laguna Lagarto in Bocatapada. Here we could photograph many tanagers and king vultures. From there, we went to Selva Verde in Sarapiqui, visited Silva Research Station, and then moved to Arenal in northwestern part of Costa Rica. Arenal is known for volcano and is one of the most important tourist spot. From there, we proceeded to Ensenada on western side of the country, which is on the Pacific coast. The climate of Ensenada is tropical type. From Ensenada, traveled to Villa La Paz, which too was on Pacific coast near Tarcos River. Here we did birding in Tarcos River and the forest adjoining our eco lodge. This is our final leg of birding tour to Costa Rica. We have started from Villa La Paz in the morning and moving towards Savagre. On the way, we stopped at Kasa, Tangar for birding and lunch. It is a small restaurant built on the edge of a forest. It is a wood paneled hut with huge glass windows on all sides for uninterrupted birding. We peeped through the glass windows of wooden hut from where so many colorful birds were seen chirping and calling. Some feeders and water baths were placed to attract the birds. A buffy crowned wood partridge appeared on the ground, which typically forages by scratching through leaf litter and feeds on insects, birds, and small invertebrates. A pair of spangled cheeked tanagers flew in and sat on papaya fruits. These are restricted to highlands of Costa Rica and parts of Panama. They are frugivores. Sexes look alike. Flame colored tanagers are American songbirds. Males are red orange, while females are yellow in color. They are found in mountain forests. They feed on arthropods and berries. Chestnut capped brushfinch is a neotropical passerine bird. It feeds on insects and spiders from the leaf litter. Common cloros fingers, whose habitat is cloud forest with ample undergrowth. It mixes with mixed species for feeding. We had a good session of birding. It was lunchtime and the host offered us Costa Rican local cuisine, mashed potato, tortilla, capsicum, and a variety of fruits and fruit juices. We relished our lunch, then continued our photography for some more time. Yellow-thighed brushfinch appeared in the middle canopy. It is not a true finch as name suggests. It belongs to passerines. It feeds on insects, spiders, and berries. Mountain thrush is a bird of mountain forest or joining forest edges and open areas. It feeds on the branches and also on the ground, turning leaf litter for insects, spiders, and small fruits. Buff-fronted quail dove is a resident of Talamancan mountain forest region. It searches for its food under leaf litter. Fruits, seeds, and insects form part of their diet. After a satisfying birding session and sumptuous lunch in Casa Tangar, we proceeded to Savagre. We crossed San Jose on the way and moved towards southern highlands. It was evening by the time we reached Savagre, had dinner and retired. Hotel Savagre Resort and Spa is situated at a height of about 2,200 meters. one of the coldest places in our entire trip. The campus is well maintained with greenery so as to attract many birds into the campus. It is situated on the banks of River Savegre. The hotel has feeders which attract many species of birds. Good morning, friends. We are in Costa Rica. The present position is it's a valley, but the height of it is about 2,200 meters. It's a beautiful location. It's a small valley surrounded by hills on all sides. And from here we are going to a feeder where we can get the hummingbirds. In the morning also at the feeder we could capture so many hummingbirds. Please watch my video to get a feel of all the hummingbirds of Costa Rica. Scintillant hummingbird is a small hummingbird. In females, the throat is buff with small green spots and the flanks are rich buff. It is a nectar feeding bird. The female is totally responsible for nest building. That is our group of birders from across the country, from Mumbai, Delhi and Gujarat. Had a great time birding with them. Rose-breasted grosbeak was sitting on a log. It is also called cutthroat due to its bright rose-colored patch on the breast. It is a winter migrant to Costa Rica and breeds in Canada and US. They feed on berries, seeds and insects. Talamanca hummingbird is a species of mountain gems. The iridescent colors in male are worth watching. Talamanca shows violet blue crown and metallic bluish green gorget. Adult females lack this. These birds inhabit mountain regions of Costa Rica. They are nectar feeding birds. Lesser violet ear, also called mountain violet ear. These breed in the highlands of Costa Rica and Panama. They feed on nectar and small insects. It is a solitary nester. Tropical mockingbird inhabit open scrublands, savannas, parks, farmlands, and around human habitations. They feed on insects, termites, seeds, small fruits, etc. Sooty thrush is a large bird endemic to mountainous regions of Costa Rica and Panama. Earlier it was known as sooty robin. The habitat is open areas in the oak forest edges. It feeds on insects, spiders by turning leaf litter and also feeds on small fruits. Acorn woodpecker is a white and black bird with red cap in males and black head in females, found in the oak forests of Central America, southwestern United States and up to Colombia. These are cooperative breeders living in breeding family groups. They feed on acorn nuts. Volcano hummingbird. These are small hummingbirds, also known as bee hummingbirds, measuring up to 3 inches. The adult males have a mauve purple gorget. It inhabits high mountain slopes, semi-open to open area. They mainly feed on nectar of small flowers and also feed on small arthropods. Golden-browed Chlorophynia is found in Costa Rica and Panama. According to some legendary stories, the bird had a wonderful singing voice which it offered to volcano and prevented it from erupting. Rufous colored sparrow is a widely distributed American sparrow. It is also called Andean sparrow. It feeds on seeds, grains, insects and spiders. Tennessee warbler is a New World warbler which winters in Central America and breeds in North America. Baltimore oriole is a New World oriole. The call is sweet whistles. It is generally monogamous. White-throated mountain gen is endemic to the highlands of Costa Rica and Panama. The males have white chin and throat. The females have rufous throat, belly and underparts. It is a resident bird and it feeds on nectar of the flowers. slaty flower piercer. It is a common bird of mountain clearings with flowering shrubs. It has an upturned bill. As the name suggests, it pierces the base of the flower to extract nectar. Sooty-capped chloris fingers is also called sooty-capped bush tanager. It is found in mossy mountain forests, bushy clearings. They move along with mixed species flocks for feeding. Fiery-throated hummingbird is one of the most beautifully colored bird and exhibits rosy coppery orange on throat. Sides are golden green, a violet patch on the center of the breast. All these colors are possible due to iridescence. These are nectar feeding birds. Spent good lot of time capturing the beautiful birds on the feeders and in the evening took a walk around the resort campus. Savegre River flows near the resort. The overall experience and the forest ambience around is truly relaxing. Next day morning, we went for a resplendent Quetzal tour. Savagre is known for the Quetzal. Quetzal is one of the prized bird of our entire trip. We moved up the hill and went to a private property where the nest of resplendent Quetzal was present. The property owners protect the nest in turn are paid by the birders for watching it. The female Quetzal peeped out for some time and flew away. Returned to the nest after about half an hour. It means the eggs have not yet hatched. When the eggs are hatched, the parents come back to the nest at shorter intervals, and that would be the right time for the photo opportunity. After this, we climbed up the hill for the sake of male Quetzal. Finally, could capture the beauty of the male too. The males have iridescent green plumage, red lower breast and belly, and long tail streamers. Females are duller green and short tail. After an enriching bird trip to Costa Rica, we started back to San Jose and reached Hotel Robledal by evening. Next day morning did birding for some time and left back to India via Zurich. Friends, I am coming up with more videos on nature and wildlife. If you like the concept, please like the video and give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future videos. Thank you so much.